Hello everyone, I'm Gary from YueXin. Today I will continue introduce to you our RTX 3 to 4 ring test chamber. Today we mainly talk about how to maintain this equipment. Maintenance mainly consists of regular inspections. First, check the water quality. If the water quality is not clean, it's easy to cause the nozzle to become clogged. And if the water is not changed for a long time, a large number of fungi will breed in the water, causing the water to be turbid and even moss to grow. Check from two places. The first is the water tank, and the second is the filter. If you find that the water in the water tank becomes turbid, yellow, or has oil stains inside, please replace the water immediately. Look at the filter element. If you find that the filter element has turned brown, you need to replace the internal filter element. It's recommended to check the water quality once a week and the filter once every 2 weeks. Second, check the spring nozzle. Due to the small diameter of the nozzle, it's easy to get clogged. In addition, the needle tip is thin and easy to bend when it hits an object. So, before testing, you must first test the water spray situation and observe whether the nozzle sprays water normally. If any bend or nozzle is found to be blocked, replace or correct it in time. In addition, after the test, if you are not performing the test task, please unscrew the nozzles on the left and right sides and drain the water in the swing tube. Third, check the circuit and waterways. It's recommended to check the circuit and waterways at least once every 3 months. You can disassemble the ceiling shear to see if the joints of the water pipe are loose. If you find any leaks, please tighten them in time. Then, check whether the circuit connection is reliable and whether any components are edged or burned off. If any of these situations are found, contact the manufacturer and handle them in time. Next is about maintaining hygiene and wrapping down the inside regularly, including the turntable and water tank. In addition, it's recommended to turn on the equipment and use it at least once a month. If the equipment is left idle for too long, it may cause the circuit to become damp or the friction at the rotation point to increase. If you pay attention to the above and maintain this equipment well, you can make it run smoothly and extend its service life. Okay, that's all for today, and I will update more reviews soon. Thank you. If you are interested in our equipment, please leave a message in the comment area, or you can also contact us.